some stories were never meant to be forgotten. They were buried, erased, hidden deep within time. But history always leaves behind traces, silent clues waiting to be uncovered. From lost civilizations to forbidden secrets, from ancient mysteries to dark truths of the past. We don't just tell stories, we uncover them. Welcome to Past Uncovered 450. Nature is powerful, beautiful, and full of life. But across the United States, many incredible animals are slowly disappearing. From forests and deserts to rivers and oceans, species that once thrived are now struggling to survive. Human expansion, climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction have pushed many animals to the brink of extinction. Today, we will explore some of the most endangered and nearly vanished species in America, and the story of how they are fighting for survival. Deep in the swamps and forests of southern Florida lives one of America's rarest big cats, the Florida Panther. Once, thousands of these majestic predators roamed across the southeastern United States. But today, fewer than 200 remain in the wild. Urban development and highways have destroyed much of their natural habitat. Car collisions are now one of the leading causes of death for these animals. Despite conservation efforts, the Florida panther still faces an uncertain future. Yet wildlife experts continue working to protect this powerful symbol of America's wilderness. Another species fighting for survival is the red wolf. Native to the southeastern United States, the red wolf was once common across forests and wetlands. But by the 1980s, hunting and habitat loss nearly wiped them out. At one point, only 14 red wolves remained in the world. Scientists launched an ambitious captive breeding program to save them. Today, a small population survives in North Carolina, but their numbers remain extremely fragile. Without continued protection, the red wolf could disappear forever. High above the mountains of California flies one of the largest birds in North America, the California condor. With a wingspan of nearly 10 feet, this magnificent bird once dominated the skies of the western United States. But poisoning, habitat loss, and hunting pushed the condor dangerously close to extinction. In 1987, conservationists made a bold decision. They captured the last remaining wild condors to start a breeding program. At that time, only 27 birds were left. Today, thanks to decades of effort, more than 500 condors exist. But they are still critically endangered and rely heavily on human protection. Not all endangered species are large or famous. The American burying beetle is a small but incredibly important insect. This unusual beetle helps ecosystems by burying dead animals and recycling nutrients into the soil. Once widespread across 35 U.S. states, the species suddenly declined. Today, it survives in only a few small regions. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly why this dramatic decline happened. Protecting even the smallest creatures is essential for maintaining the balance of nature. In the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean lives one of the world's rarest seals, the Hawaiian Monk Seal. These gentle marine mammals are found only around the Hawaiian Islands. Their population has been threatened by fishing nets, ocean pollution, and climate change. Today, fewer than 1,600 monk seals remain. Despite the challenges, conservation teams monitor beaches, rescue injured seals, and protect newborn pups. Every surviving seal is a victory for wildlife conservation. The Black-Footed Ferret is one of the greatest comeback stories in American conservation. By the late 20th century, the species was believed to be completely extinct. But in 1981, a small population was discovered in Wyoming. Scientists captured the remaining ferrets and began a breeding program. From just 18 individuals, conservationists managed to rebuild the population. Today, hundreds of black-footed ferrets have been reintroduced into the wild. Their story proves that extinction is not always inevitable. Across America and around the world, wildlife faces growing threats. Deforestation destroys habitats. Pollution poisons ecosystems. Climate change alters natural environments faster than animals can adapt. Human activity is the main reason many species are disappearing. But humans can also be the solution. Through conservation, habitat protection, and education, we can still change the future. The animals we explored today are more than just species on a list. They are living symbols of the fragile balance of nature. Every animal that disappears leaves a permanent gap in the ecosystem. But with awareness and action, extinction can be prevented. The future of these species depends on the choices we make today, because protecting wildlife means protecting the planet we all share. As these incredible animals struggle to survive, their future depends on us. Every forest protected, every ocean cleaned, and every habitat restored gives them another chance. Extinction is not just the loss of a species. It is the loss of a part of our planet's story. If we